Chapter 18, Data Handling. Information in numbers that can be stored and used for comparison or to make decision is called data. Collecting, recording and representation of data. We collect data by different means like by asking or studying written or printed material. We record it using tally marks like 1, so 1 line, 2, 2 lines, 3, 3 lines, 4, 4 lines and 5. This is one bunch. 4 and 1 slightly means this is diagonal or we can say slanting line. So we can represent this, show the data through pictures, symbols and graph. Now representing the data through pictures is called pictograph. अगर हम picture से represent करते हैं किसी data को, so that becomes a pictograph. See how. Example 1. Some children were asked the name of their favorite fruit. Their answers were the following like mango, banana, apple, guava, like this. So now find the number of children liking different fruits and represent the information through a pictograph. So first we are making a tally marks table. How? First write the favorite fruit name, tally marks and how many are liking each of the fruit. Like now mango, just count it, mango how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 4 children like mango. So 4 here and 4 here. Now banana, how many like banana? 6. So 5 and 1, 6. So make a bunch of 5 and 1 and write here 6. Now apple, how many? 5 and 2, 7. So 7 here. And guava 3. So 3 here. Okay. Now how we can show it by a pictograph? So favorite fruit and one picture we will select and this shows one child because numbers are smaller. Okay, so we can write one picture is showing one child, right? So now mango 4, so 4 smileys we can draw. Banana 6 smileys. Apple 7 smileys, and then guava 3 smileys, right? So I hope this is very much clear to you. Now interpretation of a pictograph. अब किसी pictograph को कैसे हम read कर सकते हैं? See how. Example 2. Numbers of different flowers growing in Mary's garden are represented by the following pictograph. Here different flowers given like lily, sunflower, jasmine, hibiscus and marigold. And one picture is showing 5 flowers because data was too much. So that's why they have taken one picture equals to 5 flowers. So now read this pictograph and answer the question. A part, which is the most likely available flower in the garden. So see which one? Hibiscus. Here pictures are more. So hibiscus is the most likely available flower in the garden. The second, how many sunflowers are growing in the garden? So 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures here and one is showing 5. So 4 5s are 20. So 20 sunflowers are growing in the garden. C part, which is the least likely available flower in the garden, सबसे कम, that is jasmine. Okay, this is how many? 2 into 5, 10. But they are not asking number, just write jasmine is the least likely available. Now the next here, how many lilies are growing in the garden? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. 5 into 5, 25 lilies are growing in the garden. So very interesting and very easy. Now exercise 18.1, question number 1. Read the pictograph and color the rectangles accordingly. So here you can see chocolate, vanilla, pista, strawberry. These are the different flavors, right? And now here numbers. So chocolate, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to color 4 rectangles. For chocolate, color 4 rectangles. Color it. Okay. Then for vanilla, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then pista 2. And strawberry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 8 rectangles we can color. So I hope this is clear to you. So next is here Now answer these questions also. A part, which flavor is liked by most children? So liked by most, strawberry. B, which flavor is liked by least? Pista. Which flavor is liked more, chocolate or vanilla? Vanilla is more. And how many children were asked in all? So just count total. So chocolate 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chocolate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vanilla. 2 pista, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strawberry. 8 and 2, 10, 7, 17 and 4, 21. Total 21. Now the second one, read the data table that tells the preferences of a class. Make a pictogram by using first letter of each preference. For example, take B for bird. Now see this, household pets, pets given number of responses. So now you can draw the pictogram and answer these questions. Which animal is liked by most children? So by most, which one is the highest number? 18. So hamster. So write here answer. The second, which animal is liked by least? Sabse kam. The smallest number is 5. So pig. Okay, and which two pets are liked by equal number of children? Equal number, bird and fish. Bird and fish. And how many more children like dogs than cats? So dogs 14 and cats 9. So how many more? 14 minus 9? 5. And how many children were asked in all? Total, write the sum. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now next is drawing a bar graph. Example 3. The following table shows the number of Diana's friends disliking certain vegetable or fruit. Like vegetable or fruit given, garlic, onion, cucumber, guava and papaya, and number of friends. So represent this data by drawing a bar graph. So bar graph ke liye we take two lines, this one horizontal and this vertical. You will do in higher class. Okay, and then we are showing data like vegetable on this line horizontal and number on the vertical line. Okay, now so write the numbers here according to the data. Write the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like number of friends, and these are the vegetable or fruit. So garlic 5. So just leave some gap, draw a bar, like draw a rectangle, then leave the same gap. 4, so corresponding to 4, draw a bar, then leave the same gap. Corresponding to 9, draw a bar, leave the same gap. Guava 3, leave the same gap. Papaya 4. So this is the bar graph. Now bar graph are the pictorial representation of data in the form of vertical or horizontal rectangular bars. Now interpretation of a bar graph, ऐसे ही हम bar graph को read भी कर सकते हैं. Example 4, read this bar graph on the next page and answer this question. A, which day had the maximum number of absentees? So here we have days and here number of absentees. So which day had the maximum number of absentees? So which one is the largest bar? This Saturday. So Saturday had the maximum number of absentees. Now B, which day had the least number of absentees? So Wednesday. Now how many students were absent on Tuesday? How many? 2. And how many students were absent on Thursday? On Thursday, how many? 3. Okay, so very simple, very easy. Now exercise 18.2, like the first one, Emily asked her friends which game they like to play. Their answers were the following. Now find the number of friends liking different games by a tally chart and represent the data by a pictogram. So tally chart बनाने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? First make the columns, write one side game, then tally marks, and here number of children. Okay, so now first football, write the different games: football, badminton, cricket, volleyball. I think 4 games are given. So now football count 1, 2, 3. Football. 4, 5. So 5 children like football. So write here 5 and draw the tally mark. So one bunch. Then badminton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 badminton. So like this. Then cricket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cricket. So 5 and 2. Then volleyball. 1, 2, 3, 3. So now we can count. Total is 5, 5, 10, 7, 17 and 3, 20. Now count it whether it is 20 or less or more. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It means we have taken all the terms, okay? Nothing is left. So total is 20. So this is the tally chart, and then you can draw a pictograph. The pictograph ke liye you can select any one symbol, like smiley you can take, okay? Because numbers are less, so you can take one smiley represent one child, okay? Then you can draw it. Fine, I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, the second one here, children of a group were asked about their favorite animal in a zoo. Their answers were the following. So find the number of children liking different animals by a tally chart and then represent the data by a pictograph. Okay. Now similarly, third and fourth question you can try. Now see the fifth question. The following pictograph shows the number of different trees in an orchard. So here one picture represents 50 trees. So apple, guava, mango, orange and pear. So now read the pictograph and answer these questions. A part, which trees are the maximum? So see which one? You can see guava. Guava. B, which trees are the least? सबसे कम pictures किसमें है? Mango. Third, C part, how many orange trees are there? So how many orange trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 picture, and 1 equals to 50. So 8 into 50, 400. 400 trees. Then how many more apple trees are there than the mango? So apple trees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 50, 300. And mango 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 50, 200. So how many more? So that is 100. Okay. So very interesting, very easy. So now there is some life skills question. You can try these one, and some HOTS question. You can try this one also. I hope the concept is very much clear to you.